Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin pie. Now, you will need to find some chickens. I have laid out some chickens by using a chicken spawn egg, and I've chopped them by using this oak fence. Typically 5 to 10 minutes inside the game, they will lay down an egg. Please collect as many eggs as you want. Please find sugar canes. Sugar canes are mainly used on grass around the side of the river or any ocean in the game. As you get sugar cane, right click onto the crafting table and press it anywhere onto the crafting table. Right click and you'll get your sugar. Now, you will need something called pumpkins. Pumpkins can be found in extreme hills biomes. That is one of the only biomes you need to find a pumpkin. A pumpkin can be found in two ways, a normal pumpkin or a carved pumpkin. It does not matter for this tutorial. Right click onto the crafting table, get your egg onto the bottom left corner, your pumpkin onto the middle left corner, and your sugar onto the middle side, and you'll get your pumpkin pie. Thank you so much for watching. Please press like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.